Hello and welcome to Zion Food Trucks. Today we have this incredible new food truck that we are shipping out. This one is going to Montana and it is for a wedding catering company. It started out as a brand new step van, which is not as common because most people start with a used truck. But this one is brand new. You can see this one has a large 12 kilowatt Cummins generator that powers it. Idea is that it'll keep the food cold while the truck is in motion. 17 gallon tank that fuels it, sorry. As with all our trucks, it's got an underbelly, 80-pound propane tank. Shore power connection. That's the back door. On this side is a 6-foot service window, self-closing obviously. Lights, customer will wrap it themselves. That's how we would fill water, the water inlet valve, and that's the water drain. Let's go see inside its many features. There is a little chair here so somebody can drive with it. As I mentioned, this is a brand new truck, Ford. That is its big kitchen. Starting here, hand wash sink, 3-compartment sink. We haven't yet installed the soap and towel dispensers. The customer is going to show us where they want it to be, and then we'll screw them in. That's the inspection sheets for the fire suppression system. As always, all our systems are certified and always pass code. We warranty that part. The water heater. The water tanks are under the body of this truck. Water pump, you can see. One thing I didn't show you before is that this truck, unlike many others, has a rubber floor. The entire floor has been coved in like so that they can actually pressure wash this. This is something the customer requested us. That's the inside of the generator box. Works entirely like a table. The truck is entirely covered in stainless steel. 1.5-inch insulation all around, 9/16 inch of plywood cladding, and then the stainless steel covering on top. You can see there are trim pieces all around between each panels. This is to prevent any moisture from getting inside or grease from getting inside. All equipment are of course bolted down to the floor with washers. Heavier equipment like this refrigerator, for example, is bolted to the wall as well. Chef base, 2-burner stove, griddle 36 inches, fryer, and a work table. All equipment are under this hood with fire suppression system. As I mentioned earlier, fire suppression system is tagged, of course. The lights, they are all they're LED. They don't cast a shadow. AC with heat, and the electrical system. As always, all our electrical wiring is inside the walls of the truck or trailer, and they are in conduits. The idea is that if it were inside the walls would chafe and eventually develops a short circuit. Being inside conduits protect them from that, and should something happen, they're easy to access. That's a transfer box to switch between generator power and utility power. Right now you can see it's turned to this side, which means it's on utility power. You could turn it the other way and that'll be generator power. Every piece of equipment has its own breaker. Here you can see even lights have their own breakers. Idea is that one equipment fails, it's not going to take out the others. Many tables in this truck, many work tables. I almost forgot to show you the sandwich prep, which is 48 inches in this truck. One of the 2 fire extinguisher bottles. This one is a K series fire extinguisher. There is also an ABC fire extinguisher which is sitting over here. That little box is the pigtail, which is something that you can use to connect to shore power. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful food truck. If you have any questions or if you would like something like this, please do contact us through our website, zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.